Let's take a look at what we will cover building this app. Welcome to Project 2. Let's take a look at what this app does. First, it displays the name of one of these flags. These are clickable buttons that the user can select. If he selects the right flag, he'll get a pop-up telling him his score has incremented by 1. And he can continue, and a new set of flags come into the screen, as well as the navigation bar gets updated with another name of one of these flags. So if we click on again and I'm wrong, then it minuses 1 from my score. And so there are flags that get updated, the user selects the correct flag, and his score gets incremented. And this is Project 2. Let's go ahead and get started.